morning to one and all present here. I, Kritika Sharma of class 8 is going to conduct today's assembly. Topic for today's assembly is managing exam stress. There are a lot of students who are intelligent, but the stress for exam doesn't let them study. As they study, but the anxiety makes them nervous and everything vanishes. Exam season can bring the levels of stress and burnout that can hinder your studies. Exam stress affects a student in various ways. That's why it's important to manage it. So, first point is take regular breaks and schedule in fun things to look forward. Point 2, do exercise and get outdoors. Easily one of the most frustrating thing about exam season is that it seems to occur just as the weather brightens up. These points can help you more productive while revising. Thank you and have a nice day.